Unbox and set up your HP Smart Tank printer with the HP All-in-Plan. Open the box and remove the printer documentation. For guidance with setting up the printer, the Quick Start Guide includes helpful tips and details to complete the setup process. Set the box on its side and use the handle to remove the printer and the power cable. Remove all packing material from the printer. Plug the power cable into the rear of the printer. Then plug the other end into an outlet. The printer powers on. Select your language. Then select your country or region. Lift the ink access door and then open the tank covers. Open the cap on the black ink tank. Match the black ink bottle with the black ink tank. Hold the bottle on the tank nozzle and let the ink drain into the tank until the tank is full. If the bottle does not start draining, remove it and then reinsert it onto the tank. Do not squeeze the bottle. When done, close the cap on the black ink tank. Seal the ink bottle and store any remaining ink in a cool, dry place. Complete the same steps to fill each of the remaining ink colors. Once the ink tanks have been filled, close the tank covers. And then the ink access door. Wait 30 seconds for the printer to calibrate before moving forward with the next step. To install the printheads, lift the ink access door, and then wait for the carriage to move to the center and stop. Press the blue button to open the printhead cover. Remove and discard the orange guard. Remove the printheads from their packaging. Remove the orange cap and protective tape from both printheads. Caution: do not touch the copper-colored contacts or the ink nozzle. Handling these parts can result in clogs, printhead failure, and bad electrical connections. Insert the black and tricolor printheads into their slots on the carriage. Close the printhead cover. Close the ink access door. To load paper, open the input tray. Press and hold the button on one of the paper width guides. Slide the guides to the edges of the input tray. Load a stack of plain paper with the print side facing down into the input tray. Make sure the stack of paper does not exceed the stack height marking on the tray. Adjust the paper width guides until they touch the edges of the stack. Close the input tray. Pull out the output tray extender. To align the print heads, follow the control panel prompts to print an alignment page. Then follow the instructions on the page to scan it and complete the alignment. It is now time to install the printer software. If you do not have the HP app, you can download it for free from your App Store or by going to hp.com/start/install. The HP app is required to complete the all-in-plan setup process. For the printer setup to be successful, you must have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled on your device. Once you have installed the app, log into your HP account. You must log into the same account that you initially ordered the printer with. Select the option to add your printer. Then, select the option to set up a new printer. Once you see your printer, select the option to add it. The setup process begins. The app pairs your printer with the network. Once the printer is connected to your network, follow the remaining prompts. Your printer is registered with your HP All-in-Plan account. Follow all remaining screens to complete the setup process. Once you have completed all prompts, you are returned to the home screen. Your All-in-Plan printer is now ready to print using the HP app. To manage your printer subscription, on the Printer Details page, scroll down to the HP All-in-Plan tile. You can select this tile to manage your account and change payment or shipping information if needed.